Hey y'all, it's Lika's Life and I'm back with another video. This time I will be filming a grocery haul for you guys, if you can't see from the background. This is just a quick little we need a restock grocery haul. Nothing too lavish, nothing too big. So if you are interested in watching this haul, just keep on watching. Okay y'all, I'm back and this will be just a quick video of a few things that we got. So let's get started. We decided that we wanted to have lettuce wrap tacos, whatever you want to call it, tonight for dinner. So while I was at work, my husband just went to the store and picked up a few things, and of course he picked up a few extra things. So we're gonna be using these. I'm sure y'all have seen this before. This grocery haul is from Kroger's, which is our nearest and favorite grocery store. We also got some of the Light and Fit strawberry banana, and this is one of my husband's favorite yogurts. I'm more of a Too Good fan, so of course we have both here. My kids really love the brown and serve, and they're quick and easy to make, so he bought 2 of those for like weekends when we really don't feel like cooking. Also they love the State Fair corn dogs. Sorry y'all. So he got some of those. I'm gonna try these veggie corn dogs. If you've ever had them, please comment down below to let me know how they are, but I've never had them before, so I'm excited to try those. Of course, we had our sour cream cheese. We love cheese in this house, so you see all the different cheeses: sliced cheese, shredded cheese, snack cheese. We also love popcorn, so we got the big box of the family size popcorn. We use ground turkey, so we'll be using that for the tacos. We also got some watermelon, just some deli style lunch meat for quick little sandwiches and stuff. And my husband let me know something today that I did not know. So if you guys do receive WIC, Kroger's had this delightful 45 calorie honey whole wheat bread, and it is WIC eligible. So if you have WIC and you shop at Kroger's, most likely you'll be able to get this on WIC. Just a little fun fact if you didn't know that. He also got some pico de gallo, a few bananas, and bananas normally last a long time in our house and they go bad pretty frequently, so I just told him to grab just a few so that they wouldn't go bad, because we don't like wasting food. We also got a pineapple, and then we got the regular tortillas. These will be for the kids. And we got the low carb balance. He likes the flour. I like the whole wheat. So we got those. My husband loves cashews, so he got some cashews, bell peppers. What are these? Oranges. So we got some oranges, blackberries. Is that it? Oh yeah, we got some of this seasoning. I don't know if y'all have ever used this, but if you haven't, baby, it's everything. I love this seasoning. My husband is always coming through with the seasonings. And then we also have just some garlic powder, onion powder, the diced tomatoes. Yeah, I had to prop that up for my thumbnail picture. Y'all understand. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm not sure how much he spent. I didn't ask, but I'll probably put it in the description box. But yeah, this was just a quick pickup grocery haul midweek. Some stuff we needed to restock and for dinner tonight. So that completes the haul. Thank you guys for watching. I forgot forgot to let you guys know that I will be doing a reorganize of my refrigerator, so that is the clip that you see here.